Okay guys, it's been a messy ride here. Tried to make a long here, got the break even almost, just a little bit of profit, and stopped me out at break even. So still seeing the Nasdaq break out of here, but the ES just doesn't want to move. I just don't see the buyers in the tape, even though we have accumulation based on the imbalance pattern. The YM is down, it's not moving. The RTY is trying to go higher, but it's below the ATR. So it's gonna be a rough ride to the close. We hope to see some buyers in this window here, guys. See, I would like to see the tape moving in this area. Once we get above this ATR, Nasdaq is just wobbling around here, just doing nothing. The tape is dead. So it was high time and sales here movement, but no correlation, no imbalance, no nothing, and just market just tanked again. And we need to see these buyers in the tape, else it's gonna be very difficult to get a trade.
Long signal ES.
Okay, right now we can see the correlation up. Let's see if this is traders continue higher. I really like to see the buyers, but the big buyers, not these little buyers here.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're gonna place a limit order.
Order filled.
There you go.
Long signal ES.
Okay, let's see if we can break this area. See two correlations up, still our green candle, so very light volume, guys. There goes the Nasdaq. It should go to the next ATR. See the buyers with heavy volume here. In the micro
Long signal ES.
ES is moving too. Hey, there goes the Nasdaq. Already broke, so all the morning was just inside all these areas here, so there's no trading in those areas for me. I just like the breakouts. So give it some room. And we see imbalance pattern here in the micro ES, telling us in the blue tape. You can see the blue line in the wick, telling us that they made a push. So they bought it down here. You can see that high frequency trading triangles. They reversed the market. They sold and bought in the same place. Then we see on another wicks over here, another skids from the time and sales. And we haven't seen anything more yet.
Long signal ES.
But here it is, starting to move now. I don't see too much sellers over here. You see buying in the tape of the RTY. Look at the Nasdaq guys over here. It behaved like an animal. Who can trade this? Every bar is 34 ticks on a reversal. It's reversing all over the place. So who can trade this? It's impossible to trade that market. That's why I only use the Nasdaq as a leading indicator.
Long signal NQ.
Okay, we see the tape moving right now. I try to exit at least 4 dots here. Oh, we see a burp of sellers here.
Target filled.
Okay, we got filled 4 contracts. See tape momentum again in the Nasdaq. Remember, when 80% of the tape is green, the print, you will see a blue in the wicks, a blue line in the wicks, and the magenta line, if it's shorting, you're gonna see a magenta line on the wick, like here in the ES. See, the wicks are magenta. Okay, there goes the Nasdaq again.
Long signal and Q.
Almost there, guys. These guys are puking. There goes the RTY, guys. RTY making very decent moves along with the YM. Very tradable instruments. Not like the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is, I would not encourage anybody to trade the Nasdaq. The YM and the RTY are making very good stretch. Volatility intrabar is not like the Nasdaq. Okay, guys, I'm gonna bail out here. Maybe the ES is gonna reverse.
Short signal and
Order filled.
Out. Okay, guys, so what did I do here? Why did I took this trade? Okay, remember I will tell you that no matter what, the Nasdaq, you just need to leave the Nasdaq, do what it's gonna do, and just wait for the breakout. Okay, so we saw the skids of the time and sales here. So ES wasn't prepared. Okay, it was over here and didn't even move. Lots of buyers in here in the tape, but it didn't even move. Then it moved along here, and we started to see more momentum, imbalance patterns here, and we were above the linear regression.
Order filled.
So it was a no-brainer. Here is your trade, guys. And the breakout here was a very good one too. The ES to the downside, touches to the tick, and touched the linear regression, reversed imbalance pattern. And over here you see that the buyers just came in. You see that blue skid line here. The tape was 80% green, so they tried to lift the price,
Target
but
filled.
they couldn't. Sellers came in control and dropped the bomb. So here was a good trade here too. So that's it, guys, for today. If you're
Stop
interested in the
filled.
system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. Thanks for watching.